Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to get Qatar Airways flight upgraded. Now, this is very simple. You can always upgrade your Qatar Air flight. Now, first of all, make sure to go to your Google. Just type in how to get Qatar Airways flight upgraded. And as you can see, you will be able to go to here, qatarairways.com upgrade. So click on that. You will land on this page right here. Now, as you can see here, if you scroll down, you can book your upgrade. So you can go to qatarairways.com. You can do it through the mobile app with Avios, which is also a kind of like an app online through mobile app, or you can go at the airport check-in. So if you haven't yet or if you booked a flight but you haven't yet flown, you can basically go to the airport check-in, and then at the airport check-in counter approach just Qatar Airways staff member to purchase an upgrade on departure onwards to Doha, but this can be also any other city as well. You can also do it in the any airport on the phone. Usually qatarairways.com is your best bet, or in person you can just go here, put your booking reference, PNR or e-ticket number, last name, and then just find booking, and from there you will be able to basically get the Qatar Airways flight upgraded. That's how easy it is. Obviously, I would recommend you, if you're not an online person, if you don't want to do it through the mobile app, you can always do it at the airport check-in, which is a very, very simple. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you find it useful. If you did, leave a like down below, obviously, and we'll see you in the next video.